Good air quality and ventilation in our homes is essential to our health and well-being. MVHR, or mechanical ventilation with heat recovery, is the most suitable and effective ventilation system for low energy and passive house homes because it delivers constant fresh air, manages humidity and moisture, keeps homes mold-free, solves the problem of heat loss from ventilation, offers excellent energy efficiency. MVHR is actually quite a simple piece of technology, which provides fresh filtered air into a home as well as transferring heat between incoming and outgoing air via a honeycomb heat exchanger. On colder days, the heat exchanger within the MVHR unit transfers the heat from the air leaving the building into the incoming air. An MVHR system plays an important part in the energy efficiency of your home, retaining the warmth and comfort of a home without the stuffiness, providing constant fresh filtered air into the home, improving the health of the building and the occupants within it. The air is moved round the MVHR system ducting using low energy fans. Filters are used to minimise the pollutants from entering the house from the outside. Different grades of filter are available to provide higher levels of filtration depending on the external air quality in the area.
Right, so the unit at the moment, okay, is on your commissioned rate, which is level 2 here. To adjust the levels, you just kind of press up or down, okay? So while the house is occupied with you and your husband, you'd want it on level 2, okay, because it's your commissioned rate. If you're in on your own, you know, it's just you can knock it down to 1 for the time being, if you would like. Okay. If the house is occupied, it's Christmas, birthdays, you've got more people in the house, you knock up to 3 for the time that they're in here, okay? Or if you're really kind of warm, you can knock up to 3, okay, to try and cool the house down a bit. You're best to kind of open windows and things like that, cross ventilate, and then knock the unit up to 3.
I'm glad you said that, to open windows.
You're fine to open windows with the unit, especially, obviously, if you open the windows, it will lower the overall temperature of the house, you know, very quickly, whereas if you're waiting for the unit to do it, it's going to take more time. Got an away mode here as well, just if you guys are going on holiday, knock it onto away mode, it knocks the unit down to about kind of 70 cubic metres, it just keeps it ticking over so you don't get a build up of humidity or anything in the house, and you set it so that it comes back onto its commissioned rate on the day you return. Okay, and obviously you've got your boost here as well. So it's a good idea if it is really warm, come in, put your boost on the timer, you know, put it on for 20 minutes, kind of half an hour in the morning, you know, just to sort of purge the house, and then the same at night time before you go to bed, again, just to sort of purge the house, to try and, you know, get the temperature down a wee bit. Okay. So you've got a couple of things as well. We press menu here, come into the first thing, which is task menu, hit confirm, and we come down here to temperature profile. Now you've got temperature profile here in bypass. Your bypass is what stops the unit recovering heat when it's warm, okay? So your temperature profile, you can come in here, you have 3 settings, cool, normal and warm. The cool setting, which would be your kind of summer setting if you like, once it hits kind of 1921, the bypass will come on and it will stop recovering heat. Okay. Just make sure that you use the correct branded filters for your unit, and you put obviously the right filters on each side. We have our G4 here and our F7, and make sure they're the correct way around. They have little arrows on them, obviously indicate which way around they're supposed to be. It's important that you put them the right way around because they have these little flaps here. So when the air obviously comes down onto the filter, these open up, okay? And also important to use the correct grade of filter and branded filter. If you buy unbranded filters, you run the risk of buying a filter that you don't know what grade it is. Your fans will run high, your unit will run high, you'll use more power, and your unit will become very noisy.